Use a watermark to protect your work or indicate its status, like confidential. Select Design Watermark. Select an option. We'll choose Confidential 1. And there it is. Now let's change it. I'll go back to the Watermark menu and select Do Not Copy. And there we go. To add a custom watermark, like a picture, again select Watermark. And this time select Custom Watermark. Select Picture Watermark, select Picture. Locate your picture and select Insert. And select OK. Looks good. Now for custom text, select Custom Watermark, Text Watermark. Write your text in the text box. To customize your text, you can change the font, size, and color. Then select OK.